Solana is a free ride all the way up to $150, and I'm going to be explaining why it's going to go there and how it's going to go there in today's video. Make sure to stick around as I go over the overall market and of course where I see Solana heading in the short term and of course the long term, and by long term I mean the next bull market. The bull market may potentially be here, and you may want to watch till the very end of the video because you do not want to be missing out on any sort of info in this video. So if you are holding Solana or if you are not holding Solana, make sure to watch till the very end. It's highly important that you do so. And of course, as I always like to mention, nothing in my videos are financial advice. So if you do like to purchase any of the tokens that I do talk about on my channel, then make sure to seek a professional financial advisor. But enough of all of that. The overall market right now is looking very bullish, right? The sentiment is very bullish at the moment, and Solana is up by 17%, yet again front running the market, right? And as well as other sort of tokens, HNT, which was actually down minus 20% the other day, up by 27% again. Near protocol, as I have also been speaking about Near on my Discord, where you know a lot of the meme coins and the micro caps on the Near protocol have been going insane, as well as Solana. A lot of micro caps have been going insane on Solana mainnet too. And you know, if you've actually been going you know, degening into a lot of Solana micro caps in my Discord, then you guys know you guys have been making bank, right? You guys have been making bank on these Solana meme coins, getting 2x's all the way up to 10 to 20x's on absolute shit coins. So yeah, that's also insane. Now the overall market on Solana right now, right, $111. The other day I did mention, and I uploaded a video, I'm pretty sure it was this one, I did mention when it was down here that Solana had a high possibility, a high chance that it was going to break past $100 easily, very easily. When it comes to momentum, right, in the crypto market, in the crypto space, you guys need to understand that a bullish sort of momentum cannot be, it's very hard to stop it. A lot of traders, they see this sort of resistance, right, and they tend to you know what, I've caught this resistance, I'm going to put in a short, right? It's a simple short. Yeah, that's not what you need to be doing in this market, right? You don't want to be trading against the momentum. The momentum right now is looking very bullish, and yeah, sitting at $111, and it seems like it's going to easily get to this sort of area which I am currently looking at. This is a very big area. If you're having a look at looking at the weekly, right, it's already blown past the $100 mark, where there's a lot of sort of ups and downs. A lot of people that have been waiting, of course, imagine people waiting, buying into Solana at this period, right? They're going to be down. They were down by they have been waiting for about, let's just say, 623 days, and of course it's blown past this resistance line. It's blown past this $100 resistance line so easily. You know, people are the community is very bullish on it, and they're not willing to sell their Solana tokens, which is, of course, it gives us a lot of confidence that Solana isn't really going to dump really hard anytime soon, because you know, people are not willing to sell at the moment. You know, we don't see any large sort of wicks, any long wicks. It's just a big green candle with, you know, no wicks at all. You know, no wicks like this one where people are willing to sell at around these areas, right? So we're waiting for this area. You know, people who bought at around you know, $8, they'll be up by 1,500%, which is absolutely insane. You know, the amount of money that people will be making on Solana, especially with meme coins that have actually gone up in the past month or so. Bonk has literally exploded on the Solana ecosystem. You know, all meme coins are going to explode even further when Solana starts to settle, right? That's what we're looking for in this market. We're looking for Solana to, of course, settle, and I do feel like it's going to reach $150 in no time. It only took about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days for Solana to go from $70 all the way up to $110. So to reach $150, it's not going to take much effort, especially with how bullish the kind of market is right now. It's the sentiment is really bullish right now. Now with BTC, it's going to be sitting at $40 43k, 43.8k to be exact, and it kind of looks like it wants to go down, but at the same time, you know, it's really pushing this sort of resistance line. You know, it's really pushing it, and it kind of just wants to break it, you know. And the thing is about this sort of you know, with TA crypto analysis is, I want to give you guys some possibilities. I don't want to give you guys a certain sort of direction, whether it goes down or up. I want to give you guys possibilities. Yes, it can go down, and yes, it can go up. I've had recent comments on my crypto channel, on the Cryptoverse channel, where people are commenting, oh, you think it's going to go down. That's not what I think. I'm giving you guys a possibility of what could happen, you know, and that's something you should keep in mind. You know, in the crypto market, it could go up or down, but there is a possibility, or a higher chance that it could go up rather than down, or it could go down rather than up. So that's something you guys do need to keep in mind, you know. And the possibility that it does break this resistance is very high right now. You know, yes, it's slowing down in momentum, but that's a sort of a trap, especially in the crypto market. Through my experience, it's a trap, and could easily blow past this 44k resistance. It's touched this one, well, plenty of times to be exact, right? On the daily, it's touched it about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times already, and it's most probably going to touch it once again. Once it does touch it once again, a lot of sort of you know, Bitcoin paper hands are going to be out of the market, and once they're out of the market, it's a free ride up to 47k. And once it does go to 47k, that may potentially be the local high. But you know, with BTC, everyone starts to, you know, predict here and there. They like to predict where BTC goes, and throughout the whole past year, to be honest, from July 2022, I've essentially been predicting BTC all the way through. You know, I've been predicting BTC all the way through, kind of giving a educated guess on where I see BTC actually going, and so far it's actually gone quite well. On top of BTC, we also do need to consider the fact that, you know, S&P 500 is reaching its local high, and when S&P 500 is reaching its local high, it's a massive resistance. If we're having a look at it on the monthly, yeah, that is a massive resistance, and it may potentially come down from here. You know, it could potentially just come down from here all the way down here and then touch it once again. So that's also a possibility. With DXY currently, it's starting to go down, and it really wants to break this support line, which is a really big support line. As you can see on the monthly, it's a massive wall to break, right? It's a massive wall to break, and when it comes to the DXY, once it does break this, we will see BTC absolutely erupt. So it's a really big moment in the crypto market right now, and you do not want to miss out on my videos updating you guys on DXY, S&P 500, BTC, and the market sentiment. So make sure to subscribe. You know, you don't want to be missing out on any sort of value, any sort of information. You know, you guys don't want to be going out there and analyzing the charts for yourself, because you can get things wrong. I've had a ton of experience looking at these charts day in, day out, at countless of hours looking at these charts, right? And through my experience, I do know what's going to happen. Well, I can give you a really good sort of educated guess on what's going to happen. So yeah, depending on DXY, if it does break this support line, we will see BTC absolutely erupt and go above 44k. But as you can see on the monthly, right, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 months of green candles. So there has to be some sort of correction coming very soon, and it may potentially be now, or it may potentially be at around 47.5k. So the possibility of it actually going higher is very high as well, you know, but it going down from here is also a possibility. But it could potentially actually go much higher. So there's two sort of sentiments right now. It's sort of an uncertain period, so I'm not going to be giving you guys a you know, a certainty on where BTC is going to head in the short term. But yeah, doing really well in terms of price action for Solana. It's reached halfway of its actual price. Well, I think so. It's reached halfway or close to halfway. So Solana is sitting really bullish right now. And of course, if you are holding a big Solana bag, then yeah, make sure to comment down below how much you're holding. And of course, it's been Cryptoverse, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.